So we're here camping at Living Forest. We're here for a couple of nights, and then we're going to head over to Rath River. Going to do a little winter camping. Doesn't look too. It looks more like fall, but it's actually December the 29th today. Here in near Nanaimo, BC. Yeah, beautiful spot. It's a privately run place, but it's quite large. Beautiful. My gosh. Absolutely gorgeous area. The only part that we're not overly enjoying is there's hunters blowing their guns off, so Heiser's really sensitive to that. Sure. Wow, that's beautiful. That's awesome. Sure. Or can't see. This is nice. That's a pumpkin. This is awesome. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the coolest thing. It's like that's just a branch. And they've got these leaves are just really strange on here. I don't know what the heck that is, but that is very interesting. For the longest time we tried to figure out what this thing was, and it turns out they are they put a flotation thing around it and they use it as a bumper for the ferries, supposedly. So kind of interesting. It's a lot of steel in there. Heiser's a little, yeah, good question. Heiser's a little agitated. There's a bunch of hunting going on here, so, and or it's in the distance, but it's still loud. So, poor guy. Oh, it's kind of neat. Look at this. There's a stairway there. Look at that. Crazy. Stairway to nowhere. Look at this view. My gosh. Absolutely gorgeous. So here is our campsite for the next 2 nights. We're pretty excited about it. It's right on the water. The only problem, again, as I mentioned, is the hunters. Heiser's quite reactive to shooting and fireworks and stuff. So, but what a beautiful look at the view we have out here. It's amazing. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.